You so much. It's picnic season, it's grilling season, and while we have some good barbecue, we also like to have something a little cool and light on the side. Janine Washle is talking about classic summer salads, very easy to make, and the great thing about these, you can make them ahead a little bit.
Exactly, and this is something that people keep in the refrigerator all summer long. It's just that special salad. Now David will walk through the door, my husband David, and he'll say, "Hey honey, make me some of my salad." So we call it his salad.
This is David's salad.
This is David's salad.
It's
special.
a tomato cucumber salad.
Yes.
Any particular type of tomatoes or cucumbers?
Well, actually, the tomatoes, you can use the ones at the grocery store because our vinaigrette is so flavorful, it will actually give flavor to the tomatoes.
Okay.
But we are just now starting to see vine-ripened tomatoes at the farm stand, so try to get those. It doesn't matter if you use the salad tomatoes or the big beefsteak tomatoes because they both work, but the cucumber is very important.
Okay.
Now, there's a salad cucumber, you know, they call them the burpless cucumbers.
Right.
You really don't want to use those. They have a lot of seeds in the middle. You want to go for the English cucumber, and that's this long cucumber that you see at the grocery store. But if you can find the pickling cucumbers at the farm stand, this is a great one. It has less seeds,
so it doesn't get mushy in the
exactly,
middle. Okay.
and it stands up well to the vinaigrette.
Okay.
Now I've had the salad with what appeared to be almost straight vinegar. So you really do want to make a vinaigrette, not just pour vinegar in.
Here.
And here's a little trick. Put your water in first and then add your sugar and your salt because it will fully dissolve. If you add your vinegar at the same time, vinegar actually inhibits the sugar and the salt from dissolving fully. So you want to dissolve. And another little trick, I usually make my water a little bit warm.
Yes.
And then I get fully dissolved.
Yes.
That way you don't have that gritty, that grittiness in the salad. Then you add your white vinegar, and here you can use apple cider vinegar or white vinegar. I usually use white because that's what my mom used.
Okay.
And then we add just a touch of oil. You don't want to leave this out because right now all we have is a pickling liquid. The oil makes it a vinaigrette. It also allows the flavors to completely glide over your tongue and you fully taste all of these wonderful fresh flavors.
So then we just dump this in?
Yeah, that's it. So it's very important to make a well-seasoned vinaigrette. That's the secret to a good tomato cucumber salad.
Now, does this get better with time in the fridge? You got to give it a little bit?
Well, I'm so glad you asked that question. I hear people tell me that they keep this salad going, that it's perpetual, that they just keep adding to it. Really bad idea because it's the vinegar that keeps bacteria growth down, that sort of thing. It's just something that you want to do every 7 days or so. Okay. So yes, after a couple of days, sure, it gets better. After 7 days, toss it out, start again.
Okay.
So that's
very
the
good.
trick.
Well, Janine brought the finished product of the cucumber tomato salad. She's brought a couple other salads as well. She will share all those recipes with you if you just get in touch with her. All you have to do is go to our website, WDRB.com, go to the morning page. You'll see a link there to reach Janine. She'll send you a whole bunch of recipes.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sterling?